Ever dabbled in the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Bought some Bitcoin, dipped your toes into Ethereum, or maybe you're a seasoned DeFi warrior? Fantastic. But what if you need to move your crypto around? Send it to a friend, pay for that NFT you just snagged, or maybe rebalance your portfolio across different exchanges. That's where things can get a little tricky. Sure, you can transfer crypto directly between wallets, but transaction fees, also known as gas fees, can put a serious dent in your profits. Not to mention the whole process can be a bit intimidating for beginners. So, what are your options? Enter Newton, a user-friendly crypto platform that's shaking things up with its innovative approach to buying, selling, and yes, you guessed it, sending cryptocurrency. But can you really send crypto with Newton? The answer might surprise you. Buckle up, crypto enthusiasts, because we're about to dive deep into Newton's transfer capabilities and see if it lives up to the hype. Beyond the basics, sending crypto with Newton explained. Let's face it, traditional crypto exchanges can be complex beasts. Endless charts, cryptic jargon, and a million buttons, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. Thankfully, Newton takes a different approach. Their platform is designed with simplicity in mind, making it perfect for both seasoned crypto veterans and curious newcomers. So, how does sending crypto with Newton work? It's actually quite straightforward. Here's a breakdown. Funding your account, the first step is to get some funds into your Newton account. They offer a variety of deposit options, including bank transfers, e-transfers for our Canadian friends, and even debit card purchases, subject to certain limitations. Choosing your crypto, once your account is funded, you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to send. Newton supports a wide range of popular coins and tokens, so you're likely to find what you're looking for. The magic happens. Here comes the exciting part. Unlike some exchanges where you battle with gas fees, Newton actually covers those pesky costs for you. Up to a certain amount, that is. They understand the frustration of high fees, so they take care of it for their users. Now that's what we call crypto-friendly. Send it away. With your crypto chosen and fees covered, all that's left is to enter the recipient's wallet address and hit send. Newton makes this process clear and user-friendly, ensuring your crypto gets where it needs to go. Beyond convenience, the benefits of sending with Newton. We've established that sending crypto with Newton is a breeze, but the benefits extend far beyond convenience. Here are a few reasons why Newton might be the perfect platform for your crypto transfers. Security first. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and Newton takes it seriously. They employ robust security measures to keep your funds safe, giving you peace of mind when sending your precious crypto. Speed matters. Nobody likes waiting for transactions to clear. Thankfully, Newton boasts fast processing times, so you won't be left hanging while your crypto makes its way to its destination. Transparency is key. No hidden fees, no surprises. Newton keeps things transparent, so you always know exactly how much you're sending and what to expect. Customer support at your fingertips. Need a helping hand? Newton's customer support team is readily available to answer your questions and guide you through the process. A platform built for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting your crypto journey, Newton offers a user-friendly and secure platform for all your sending needs. Their focus on simplicity, combined with their fee-covering approach, makes them a compelling option for anyone looking to move their crypto around. Final thoughts. Is sending crypto with Newton right for you? If you're looking for a fast, secure, and user-friendly way to send your crypto, then Newton is definitely worth checking out. Their innovative approach to fees and their commitment to making crypto accessible to all is a breath of fresh air in the often complex world of cryptocurrency. Of course, every platform has its own set of features and limitations. Do your research and see if Newton aligns with your specific needs. But hey, with its emphasis on ease of use and eliminating those pesky fees, Newton is certainly making a strong case for itself in the crypto transfer game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto sending.